This beat, exclusive.
Good evening guys, it's Jay from Dashcam Man. We've just wired in an Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser into this Ford Focus RS. We'll give you a demonstration of how it works. The benefits of this immobiliser is it combats three main things. So it combats someone breaking into your house and stealing your key. It combats key cloning, so if someone was to copy your key while your car was at a dealership or service. And it also combats wireless key signal boosting, and that's when someone is standing outside your house or flat and they're boosting the signal from your house or flat to your vehicle. The vehicle thinks the key's nearby, it unlocks and you can start and drive away, because these cars have got wireless key fobs. So we're going to go through the process of now trying to start the car without popping in the pin to show you what would happen if someone was trying to steal the vehicle with the key. So you start the vehicle, put your foot on the clutch and you're trying to start it, you'll just see it cuts off. And we could try again. You're pressing the start button and it says press clutch to start, and again it's cut off again, so it's not starting. So the vehicle's immobilised and it will refuse to start until the user pops in the correct pin sequence. For demonstration purposes we've made a pin on the right hand side here, so we're going to show you that. What you'll get is a flash of the indicator, and now you can start your vehicle, and the vehicle started and you're good to go. So if you switch off your vehicle, instantly it'll be immobilised. Kind of daily procedure of when you've got an immobiliser fitted like this is just to jump into the car, to just pop your vehicle onto ignition, and pop in your pin, and instantly you can start your vehicle. So it's not a long process at all. Just like we can go through that again just to show you how quick it is. Vehicle started and good to go. So you can actually do a start in most vehicles even before the indicator lamps flash. Give us a shout if you're after something similar installed into your vehicle, and we're more than happy to help. Thank you.